Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil Audi Q5, easy method. Start by warming the engine for a few minutes, then turn it off and lift the vehicle safely with jack stands. Place a drain pan under the drain plug and loosen the plug, allowing oil to flow out. Replace the drain plug and remove the old filter, then install the new filter and refill with the proper oil amount. Warm engine oil drains faster and carries more contaminants, so keep the vehicle level and the drain pan centered under the plug. Carefully loosen the drain plug and let oil run into the pan until it slows to a drip. While oil drains, remove the oil filter and inspect the old gasket, then clean the drain area and reinstall the plug with a new gasket if needed to prevent leaks. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more easy auto guides. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while working and consider the Owala water bottle, shown for convenient hands-free sipping during messy jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested, and keep yourself comfortable while you work on your car. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare the new filter by adding a little fresh oil to the gasket so it seals smoothly and prevents air pockets. Hand thread the filter until it is snug, then tighten to the manufacturer specification if you have a torque wrench. Refill the engine with the correct oil grade and capacity, run the engine briefly to circulate oil, then check the dipstick, and for leaks to confirm the job is complete and tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.